Hello! Today we are talking about dry cleaning and how it offers significant benefits in terms of food safety and environment. Don't forget, everyday people die because they consume unsafe food, and we oftentimes feel alone and discouraged on our journey to assure safe foods. I provide the support and hands-on tools you need to grow your competencies, save time to focus on the never-ending challenge of your daily life, and build an impactful and fulfilled career. Dry cleaning is a process that does not involve the use of water when cleaning a processing facility. This is particularly crucial for dry processed plants, right? As introducing water can lead to mold growth, compromise the product's organoleptic characteristics, and considerably prolong the cleaning time, as everything needs to be dry again before production resumes. A wet environment provides favorable conditions for growth of most microorganisms, and even microorganisms that may be dormant in dry environments can become reactivated, let's say like that, when moisture is introduced. However, the steps involved in dry clean are not very different from those in a wet procedure, with the exception, of course, of the absence of water. Here are the typical steps for dry cleaning. First, we remove your debris. Second, you rinse the residues. Third, you perform a detailed cleaning. Maybe you can hand scrape surfaces with residual products still, right? Fourth, you inspect the cleanliness and re-clean if necessary. And fifth, carry out dry sanitation, right? Using low moisture alcoholic based products, for example. In certain circumstances, equipment may require periodic wet cleaning. In such case, don't forget that the equipment should be disassembled and taken to an area where water can be applied. It is essential to ensure that equipment is completely dry before reassembling. Among the numerous benefits of dry cleaning, I want to emphasize its sustainability aspect, as it reduces the use of water and chemicals. Furthermore, it minimizes the risk of electrical and electronic issues that can arise from excessive water usage. Who hasn't heard from maintenance people complaining about the use of water near electrical circuits, right? So it's quite remarkable how dry cleaning can help alleviate such concerns, ensuring a safer and more efficient cleaning process. Well, that's all I want to share with you, but by the way, I'm excited to share that I'm looking to expand my content here in YouTube, in this channel. So help me reach the milestone of 1,000 subscribers, right? So this would be a fantastic incentive for me to create even more valuable videos and enlarge this vibrant community. Join me in this journey by hitting that subscribe button. Okay? See you soon. Bye bye.